The Indian white eye, Zosteropes palpebrosus. The oriental white eye is a small species of passerine bird. They forage in small groups, feeding on nectar and small insects. They are easily identified by the distinctive white eye ring and overall yellowish upper parts. The bird is small, about 8 to 9 cm long, with yellowish olive upper parts, a white eye ring, yellow throat and a vent. The sexes look similar. They are sociable, forming flocks which only separate on the approach of the breeding season. They are highly arboreal and only rarely descend to the ground.